Here are photos of unresolved cases. We are still missing information.
This morning, the breaking news. The most dangerous hacker of all time has been arrested.
Breaking news, President Trump says the United States will issue an emergency order.
Russian president today took the stage.
Said today about the idea of...
No one knows where the server is located. Jok A hacker had lost the track. We know you are a fucking nation-state ATP.
It is amazing how you can delete 1,000 emails.
There's identification documents, chats, invoices, and even photos of them.
We'll be back with more details.
Russian hackers...
You can choose any case. Ignore the raped lady case.
From banks, business to politicians and media, it has a large range of victims.
Remember, everyone is looking for you. Your hat. Hackers like you, we have won a century.